Hi, and welcome to session 8 of the Quantum GIS walkthrough series. In this session, I'll be introducing you to vector editing and showing you some of the digitizing tools and the attribute edit widgets that are available. During this session, I'll be creating two new shapefiles. These will be digitized off the color aerial photo shown on my screen. For my first example, I'll demonstrate the attribute edit widgets. This follows on from the last screencast on attributes. The shapefile I will create will be based on water bodies or water sources. To create a new shapefile, I simply click this icon on the toolbar. My water bodies will be a polygon shapefile, and the CRS should be UTM 34 South. Next, I'll need to define the attributes. The first attribute will be a source type, for example, a dam, river, or lake. Next, there will be a clarity measure. That will be a percentage between 0 and 100. Following that, I'm going to have the date captured. And I'll have a Boolean variable indicating whether it's a natural created water source or man-made. And the last attribute will be a depth, which will be an estimate in my scenario. Once I've finished specifying my attributes, I can click OK, and then I can choose the location and file name to output to. The file has been added to my layer list. Before I start digitizing, I would like to customize my edit widgets. I'll find my edit widgets in my layer properties under my fields tab. By default, the edit widget is set to line edits, but there's a whole list of other options. Each option comes with some explanatory text, and there's also more information in the QGIS user manuals. I'll show you how to use a few widgets in these examples, but you're welcome to explore the rest of the list. Firstly, for my source type, I'll use unique values and enable editable. For my clarity measure, I'm going to use the range between 0 and 100 for my percentage with a step of 10. The date captured will be a calendar widget. My natural Boolean variable will be a checkbox, where the check state means that it is a natural water source, and unchecked means that it is man-made. I'll leave the last attribute as the default line edits. Before adding or removing features, you have to enable the edit mode. You can enable the edit mode by clicking the pencil on the toolbar or by right-clicking the layer and selecting Toggle Editing. I know when I'm in edit mode when there's a pencil next to my layer name. Also, the digitizing icons on the toolbar have now become enabled. Let's zoom to a feature to add it. To digitize a feature, click Capture Polygon on the toolbar. Then left-click to start digitizing. Each click adds a new vertex. To finish off the feature, right-click. The source type will be a dam. It's best to save after each feature is captured. Click the Save icon. This will also update the attribute table. My unique value has picked up previous entries. While digitizing, if you need a pan, you can click and drag the middle mouse button or use the scroll wheel to zoom. If you need to pan properly, you can always click the pan tool. When you are finished digitizing, you can switch off the toggle mode. Say yes to save your edits. So now we know the basics of digitizing and how to use some of the edit tools to collect attributes. In the next example, I'll be doing some more advanced digitizing and also showing you one more edit widget tool.